And here we have the main event, the freshly harvested potatoes tumbling from the conveyor belt, Look at these gorgeous rosettes, fresh from the field, absolutely perfect for our next dish.
Now we carefully stack the crates, ensuring the potatoes are secure.
First things first, get these beautiful potatoes into the processing machine.
The first step is crucial. These rosettes are meticulously cleaned by high-pressure water jets.
The potatoes are fed into this industrial washer, where massive rotating brushes scrub away the dirt under a constant stream of cold water.
As you can see, the potatoes are thoroughly rinsed under these high-pressure streams, preparing them for the next step.
We ensure only the finest potatoes make it through this rigorous, highly satisfying sorting process. We want perfect fries every time, which means anything less than ideal gets swiftly rejected by the automated...
The robotic arms make quick work of the skins, ensuring a perfectly smooth surface for our next step.
We're giving these a final quality check, removing any imperfections by hand before they move on to the next stage. To achieve that perfect crisp, we first need to wash away the surface starch. This hydro system...
Once the potatoes are sliced, they move along the conveyor for a final rinse before heading to the next step. The potatoes are then precisely sliced and conveyed directly into the rinsing bath, ready for the next stage.
As the potatoes hit the hot oil, they release moisture, creating this vigorous bubbling. We'll let them ride the conveyor until perfectly crisp and golden. Once the chips are golden brown, we transfer them to the drum for seasoning. We apply a generous amount of our secret spice blend until evenly coated. As the seasoned chips continue down the belt, they pass under an optical sorter for inspection. A quick burst of air removes any that don't make the cut.
And just like that, the heat bar descends, creating a perfect hermetic seal, locking in the freshness we worked so hard to achieve.
Once sealed, the bags move under these high-powered fans for rapid cooling, ensuring the flavor is locked in.
We start by loading the perfectly sealed chip bags onto the belt. Then, the printer swiftly applies the...
gently places them into the awaiting cardboard vessel, ensuring a We start with our perfectly textured cardboard box, letting the conveyor do the work. Then, the automated arm applies. Once the pallet is adequately secured, we'll carefully transport it down the main aisle, ensuring the load remains perfectly centered. The final step, transferring our perfectly prepared packages from the cooling racks directly into the transport units.
We need to choose the right foundation for our crunch. These salt and vinegar caught my eye.
We're looking for the brightest red bag on the shelf. Give it a gentle squeeze to check for crispness before we head to the counter.
We start by laying down a solid foundation with the chips.
To maximize space and minimize the noise, gently press the air out and arrange them like so. Now they're ready for the pantry.
Not to spill a single crumb of that precious seasoning. And just like that, we're ready to serve.
And just listen to that texture. We'll carefully select one, making sure to capture all that beautiful seasoning.
To begin, we utilize the finest kettle-cooked chips available, ensuring a perfect canvas for our culinary exploration.